Let's start with the discussion that how we can install that Copilot Agent plugin in IBM App Connect Toolkit. So you know that that Copilot Agent people are working with, and that application Python and other application, actually the developer getting a boost by getting that Copilot Agent. Now this is IBM App Connect Toolkit. So as you know, IBM App Connect is a low code uh, low code environment where actually we are doing low code, but still that ESQL part, that is that mapping and small uh, transformation other we do via ESQL. That part actually takes some significant effort from developer. So that Copilot agent, if you install in your toolkit, and you can quickly actually get help to generate that ESQL code. And definitely I feel it's more than 50% enhancement can happen in efficiency and productivity for a developer. Not only that, when I try it honestly, I see that even the flow it can prepare, but yeah, I saw some error in some component, but that's why initially I think we can start like we install the Copilot plugin and then start development. But the flow design, I prefer do by yourself because that will be quick, and then ask Copilot to do your SQL coding. So overall, then the development effort, if you consider, definitely you will get benefit. I think it's almost 50%. Okay, now why Copilot you are using? Because this agenting thing it's coming, and everyone expect that your productivity development time should reduce. So here in IBM App Connect toolkit also we can use Copilot and reduce our development overall time. Now how you will do? So Copilot now giving that Eclipse plugin. So as IBM App Connect Toolkit is based on Eclipse platform, so we can install that plugin. So I'm just going there in the toolkit. So in toolkit I already installed, but how? In health, if you get marketplace, if you go in the marketplace, and then you will get, if you search that Copilot plugin, you will get this one, this GitHub Copilot 0.10. So I install this one. Once you install this Copilot, then it will come here. Okay, and now then what I just did a dummy project. So I create this test app, test message flow, and then this HTTP input node, compute node, reply, and then in that input node I just put some test on endpoint. And what I did after this compute node, you can see in the chat below the agent, I here I simply put a comment. I put this comment actually, that please refer site this, rewrite the code with proper syntax. Okay, so error, actually if you get any error during testing, you can also in the second prompt you can put that error so that you can fix. So once what I noticed that it generated this all code, though my workspace was empty. Okay, so it will not able to refer anything, but it's create all. Only issue I get some error, and then I see, okay, this one is not created in domain XMLC, so that output is not coming properly. So I added this two liner, and I commented out this is the overall extra effort I put after this Copilot generated the code. And if you see the number of lines they generated within few minutes, and then I deploy that code, and then even when I do the testing, it's coming properly. So overall, yes, I have not explored in the complex project yet, but I think it's the starting point. If you have that Copilot license, you can install, and definitely you can in my comment section you can put how it is working. But in my feeling, if I have lot of code here other, and if I ask Copilot refer those and write this code, he will perform, because I was not expected that the syntax this agent will perform so clearly, because it's ESQL syntax. I know Python and Java is common, but it's not so common. So still this agent is giving the proper response. So that's awesome, and I believe this will help us to improve our productivity. And also I think in this agentic AI era, low code will be again come into the picture. The reason is that whatever I feel here, I don't have to consider the security. And also when this agent build this code, I can easily read this code and understand what it is doing. Like in Python and Java, it's very difficult. A lot of code this agent generating, but you will not able to understand what internally did. So it will be like totally controlled by the agent. But this in the low code platform, it will be performed by agent quickly, AI agent, but human also quickly read and understand what it is doing. So that way, I think definitely in this era, this low code will be future. And in this low code platform like this here, even if we improve our productivity, definitely it will uh, give help client to implement their project without thinking of the security, vulnerability, all those things. They can deliver better and get better, and also they can definitely using this agentic AI. That's all for this session, this video. Thank you all.